Come on, put 'em together
Thanks to God, who made grow the Shalom Bicol Faith Academy for last 8 years. I appreciate the board members and teachers.
Do you believe that you are the light? Why? Our Lord Jesus Christ saved us on the cross and He gave the light to His children.